Hello, dear students. This is teacher Willie. I'm going to show you the main characteristics of the rainforest. The first characteristic is the type of vegetation, which it is hydrophilic vegetation and evergreen forests. We can find these types of vegetation in the rainforest. The hydrophilic vegetation means that it depends on water, mainly on water, like plants that belong to the swamp. As for the evergreen forest, it means that it is always green. I mean, the leaves won't fall from the tree like it happens in other trees, like when this autumn season is here. Let me show you really quick how it looks like. This is the map where we can see the types of vegetation in our country. The ones that belong to the rainforest are the ones in purple, and this bluish, okay, as you can see, they are all located in the southeast of our territory. This is how they look. The evergreen forests, they look like this. So it's the rainforest or jungle, as also you know it. And as for the hydrophilic vegetation, like I said, is the one that belongs to the swamps. Another characteristic of the rainforest is the location. The location, as you can see, they are located in Veracruz, Chiapas, Campeche, Tabasco, and Quintana Roo. Okay, all of those states are located in the southeast of our territory. Oh, I think I clicked the wrong button, sorry. This is the one I mean. Veracruz, Tabasco, Chiapas, Campeche, and Quintana Roo, southeast of our territory, okay? Another characteristics are the climate. What type of climate can we find in the rainforest? Is tropical and with rains all year or in summer, which it means is very humid, okay? Obviously, they're close to the ocean, which it also means that they are exposed to natural phenomena like hurricanes. The altitude that we can find the rainforest in is very low. It goes from the coast all the way up to 200 meters above the sea level, which means is very, very, very low in comparison to other areas or natural regions. As you can see on this map, this is a relief map that it shows you the altitude in certain places, in certain areas of our territory. This is where the rainforest is located. And as you can see, it goes only up to 200, maybe 300 meters above the sea level, but it's very, very low. That's why it's very hot on those areas. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to click on that, which was the type of relief that we can find the rainforest in. As you remember, is located on this area. As you can see, all this area doesn't have mountains. Not a single chain of mountains are located on the peninsula of Yucatan and by the Gulf of Mexico, which is why we have this type of natural region. In the information that, sorry, I skipped it, it shows you that we have plains, we have also coastal plains, we have bays, like we can see one here, another one here, another one here. We have river mouths, since there is the end of several important rivers that go directly to the Gulf of Mexico. And obviously we have a lot of deltas, which also create the zones where we have the hydrophilic vegetation. There it goes. This is the information that I skipped it, sorry. As for the flora that we can find in the rainforests, we find very tropical fruits and trees, important trees such as caoba, palo de aguacate, zapote, palo de hule, corcho, and guanábana. Let me show you really quick how they look like. This is the caoba. As I told you during classes, the caoba is a very expensive and fine type of wood, and it's reddish. This is the guanábana, this is the zapote, this is the aguacate, avocado, and this is the cocoa. This is where the grains of cocoa come from. And finally, the flora. The fauna. The fauna, we have a great biodiversity on this area. I'm just going to show you a few of them, which you may have seen them before. By the way, the fauna is located in several layers in the rainforest. We can see some type of fauna under the ground, over the ground in the lower level. In the middle level, you will find different type of fauna that it may never go down to this level, to the ground level. And of course, in the superior level, by the top of the trees, we will also see some other type of fauna, such as the birds. There it goes. These are some examples of fauna that we'll find in the rainforest, like otters, like spider monkeys, howling monkeys. These are very peculiar since they howl. The tapir, this is a tapir. Don't confuse the tapir with the capybara, okay? Crocodiles, quetzales, and guacamayas, all right? Those are some of the animals that you'll find in the rainforest, okay?